Hello, my name is Patrick Engro, and welcome to Tricky Pins. This is my entry into the September 2019 Button Strike competition, which we are using 18 identical cards to create a game. This is a two-player abstract strategy game. It utilizes trick-taking, hand management, and spatial puzzle solving, and takes approximately 20 minutes to play. Setup is simply put 5 cards into the center of the table, deal 6 cards to each player, and then put 1 card into the play area. The object of the game is to replicate a 5-digit PIN code in exact and consecutive order within your hand. It's important to note that the orientation of the cards is always so that the number you're looking at upright from your perspective is the number you are trying to do. So in this case, I'm trying to complete 2, 4, 2, 1, 4. My opponent is trying to complete 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. The way that we do this is by playing tricks and using abilities to manipulate our hand. The leader of the first trick is the person who has the highest total sum in their hand. In this case, that would be me, so I would start the trick. When I'm playing a trick, I must play the cards from the interior of my hand and not the exterior. Okay, so I will choose maybe this one here. I play this in the play area so that the number is upright for both players, and my opponent would do something similar. Let's say this one. Now that we've both played our cards, we then compare the numerical values of the cards we've played. I've played a 4, my opponent has played a 2, therefore I'm the winner of the trick. If there was a tie, the person who played the card last would actually be the winner of the trick. In this case, the 2 lost the trick, and therefore this player would act first, using this ability of the card that they have played. The 2 allows them to rotate a card 180 degrees, like this. So now that they've done that, the winner of the trick would then act by taking one of the cards here and putting it into their hand. So let's say we take this one. When placing a card in your hand, you must place on either end. So I'm going to place this one here, and my opponent will take this one and place it here. Since I'm the winner of the trick, I would then be the leader of the next trick, and play would continue like this until one of us has replicated this pin in our hand. Just to recap the abilities, the 1 allows you to flip horizontally a card that's in your hand, so that would be like this. The 2, as I mentioned, allows you to rotate 180 degrees. The 3 allows you to swap 2 adjacent cards. And finally, the 4 allows you to choose any one of those 3 options. That's Tricky Pins. Hope you enjoy.